We're celebrating Mother's Day all month long with a full month of mother-daughter workouts. This episode of Class FitSugar is presented by Kalia by Carrie Underwood. Get ready to torch calories with this no equipment cardio workout. Let's do it. All right, you ladies ready? Yeah. We're gonna start with a little butt kicker. So you can start here with a little kind of bounce and kick, just like my girl Kate over here, who's gonna show you all the modifications. And we've got Beth, who's gonna join me in a lot of the more advanced cardio moves. So this mom-daughter combo is ready to work it with you guys, right ladies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Woo. Good. So this workout is challenging. So it's okay to cheer each other on, give each other's high fives. If you're working out with your mom, give her a high five right now. All right? Good job, ladies. Oh, I love it. Camaraderie is so good. Now, we're gonna go into a little boxer shuffle. So start from the side of your mat, bend your knees, get a little bit low, and you're gonna shuffle from one side of your mat to the other, punch. So we're going back and forth, not a big, area that we got here, but whatever you've got in your house, give yourself a little nice bent knee shuffle, and then give it a little punch. And when you punch, you're kind of twisting that body, right? Keep your chest up high so I can see you. Yes, I wanna see those beautiful faces. Beautiful, beautiful. And remember, when you're exhaling, bring it out, breathe it out. That's right. Good job, ladies, I love it. And if you wanna get lower, you're gonna work harder, right? So if you're getting really low, then you're gonna work those legs a little bit more. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now shaking it out, that's getting the blood flowing. We're gonna start with a little circuit, starting with a quick feet drill. So your feet are wide, right? There's not much modification here other than how fast you go. Let's start with a little quick feet here. Now with this, I'm gonna call out some random things because I want you to do some other activities. This is gonna start to burn the calves, the legs. I'm gonna call touch. I want you to go to the floor. Touch, down and up. Good, back into quick feet. Touch, down to the floor. Now I might call out jump. And if you can, add a little jump. Ready, quick feet. Touch, oh, I tricked you. Quick feet, jump. Quick feet, jump. Quick feet, high five your friend. Quick feet, back in it. Good, touch. Keep going, come on, move those legs, mom and daughter. And touch, and relax, good job. Now that's gonna release some stress, right? So these exercises are so good for that. Now we're gonna go into a little hopscotch. If you're doing modification, you're gonna go in and out, just like this. Stick with Kate on that. Otherwise, you're gonna be doing the hop, like Beth and I, going in and out. You're landing on the balls of the feet. Notice how she's got her arms bent, they're engaged, right? So, playground time.
This is so much fun. Brings back so many memories. Remember when you draw it on the ground?
That's right, you're drawing hopscotch on the ground when you're a kid. You can still do it when you're an adult. Keep it going. A couple more seconds here. Breathing out on the balls of the feet. Try to keep that nice bounce. Quick feet over there, mama, I love it. Looking good. 3, good. 2, and 1. Awesome. Now this cardio move is gonna get into the lower body a lot. So start on one side of your mat, it's called under the fence. Imagine you have a fence right up to here, and you gotta go under it. So you're gonna step out and under and up. Ready? Let's go down and under. And swoop the body. So you're getting low. Now to modify this, you just wouldn't go as low. Maybe your fence is a little higher, right? So you're just going under and out. But take a big step and swoop. I like to get dancey with this one. I'm like, ooh, right. Like you do in the limbo or something. That's right. Gotta have fun with it. So remember though, it's all in your legs, right? You're getting low. You're using that lower body. That's what's gonna get that cardio up. You're gonna feel it through that whole body.
Great job,
I know
Beth.
I am. Look at you, Beth.
So fun.
Looking good. Good, back and forth. Nice job. Couple more seconds. I know this one's a burner. You're doing great. We're gonna go back to that quick feet drill. in just a few seconds. Lovely, looking good. Getting low, ladies. Awesome. 2, last one, and 1. Okay, now let's go back into that quick feet. Now, you've heard me say touch, jump, high five. I want you to go with my call. Ready? Fast as you can, go. Touch, back into it. Touch, jump. Woo! Keep it going. High five your buddy. I didn't high five behind me. I didn't high five Kate. I'll do you next time. High five your buddy. Fast feet. Come on. Touch. Fast feet.
Come on, Patsy, you can do it.
And if you're not high fiving your buddy, high five us. Run up to your TV and high five us. Keep going. Good. Jump. Woo! Come on. Don't give up. Touch. Woo! And relax. Okay. Back into our hopscotch. Remember here, you got the option, in, out, or hop. Here we go. I know, it's cardio day, you know? It isn't easy all the time, but if you can't get out a run, a bike, a swim, whatever, you've got us.
Yeah, cardio's awesome.
You've got a little cardio. And you know, whenever you can work that heart rate and get that body temperature up, get that cardio going, you're releasing the other stresses in your day, brush them all away, and get that body feeling good, right? Keep it going. Now, if you want to speed this up, you can get real crazy and really start working. These are like my track days when it was like, boom, how quick can you go down the ladder, right? You can do it. Let's see what you got. Breathe it out. 5, 4, 3,
Come on, Patsy.
2, go. And relax, okay. Woo, under the fence. So starting from one end of your mat, you're trying to go under. Ready? And swoop. Boom. Back and forth. Now, a lot of people tend to hunch and they lose the track of their legs and they start using their back. So make sure you can see me. Make sure that I can see what's written on your shirt. That's what's really important, right? If someone can read what's on your shirt, you know you got good form, which means you're working the butt, not your back, all right? You want that.
Yeah.
Good. Breathe it out. Do you guys work together a lot, work out together a lot, or?
Yes, we love working out together. Try to do it at least 2 or 3 times a week. Great bonding time as the girls get older, so.
Yep. Exactly. And it's
me motivated too.
It keeps you motivated. That's what I was gonna say, right? Generations of health and wellness in your life. It's awesome. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, grab a sip of water, you guys. We're going into a new circuit of exercises. So I want you to kind of take a teeny sip. Not too much, so it's all, you know, going, floating around in your belly. But we'll rinse that mouth up. Now, this one, so fun, right? Knees to toes. It gets intense, right?
This is fun, but
Beth is an
crazy.
expert. So, modify. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going with this, okay? Kate is gonna keep it going here. Me and Beth, we're gonna start to increase the tempo, and we're going double time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Double timing. Woo, not easy, right? Look at my girl over there. I feel like I'm part of this powerhouse team, this mother-daughter team. Back and forth, looking good.
You got it, Beth.
Keep it going. Remember, like, if you feel like you just went, see, if I see someone losing form, I'm gonna say, go back to the modified. And then when you feel like you can, level it up again. You got time, right? And relax. Good work, okay. That one gets me wiped.
That was great.
So, we've got an ollie shuffle and a bunny hop combo, okay? So here, we're gonna go ollie shuffle, but if you're modifying, I want you forward and back as quick as you can. Otherwise, you're switching feet at the same time. Nice, good. Going back and forth. Look at your arms. Look how Beth is using her arms. Very athletic, right? That's it, you gotta keep that upper body moving as well. Back and forth, nice. Keep it moving, good. Speed it up a little bit. Yeah. Good, nice, Kate. And relax. Now, bunny hop, feet together. You're gonna do a little hop, or both feet leave at the same time, and you double it up. Double time.
I feel like I'm dancing.
This one I can like hop over here and say hi, and then hop over here and high five my friend, right? So if you wanna hop over and high five us, or your mama, or your dada, do that. Good, couple more seconds. Remember, the more fun you can have during exercise, the more joy you're releasing from your body. All right, so make sure you give that to yourself. 3, 2, and 1. Now, last one is the curtsy lunge. So, for this one, remember here, you're gonna step back and sink, step together and switch, right? So here, we wanna make sure the knee, the hip, the chest face forward. And if you wanna advance, I'm gonna go with a little hop, side to side, right? So you go at your own pace. You go at whatever level you feel comfortable. If you wanna jump, if you wanna walk, it's up to you, right? This one gets your heart rate jacked up, especially if you wanna go to the floor and you wanna go back and forth this way. I find that most people feel good just kind of staying up high, so they keep a good back, nice flat back posture. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Woo!
That's great for the legs. I love it. Love it.
She loves it. Do you love it? Okay, good. All right, let's partner. Back up. We're going into that knee to toe. You guys ready? So start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Come on, drive that knee. Let's go. Get that foot up high. Boom. Come on. No, this might be a modified move, right? But I don't care what you say. This move gets your heart rate up. Really drive. Right? So get it up there. Now, if you're ready to go advanced, you can take it up a notch, starting in 3, 2, and 1, and go. Good. Are you with me, Beth? She's working it. Oh! Nice job. Gotta breathe. Come on, challenge yourself. Woo! And finish off. We got it. Couple more seconds. Woo! I'm dying. Sucking wind. I see Beth back there. Sucking wind with me, so I don't feel alone. And relax. Woo! Okay, ladies, high five. You're doing awesome.
Doing so good.
This crew, the smiles on their faces, nothing beats it. Now let's go, Ollie shuffle, back and forth, let's go. Remember, your quick feet in it, like Kate, or you've got this fast Ollie shuffle going.
Definitely makes it easier using your arm.
Yes, and it makes you more athletic, and you work your shoulders and your core, sounding good. Now you wanna be light on those feet. So if I hear a lot of scuffing back here, I want her to get lighter, landing light. Oh, she just got real soft. So if your neighbors hear you, then you're pounding on your joints. Go soft, make sure you're light. Now let's go bunny hop, side to side. Going side to side. That's it, yes. Or you're here, bopping out. Or you're side to side. Good. That's it. I like to think about skiing. Even though I'm a snowboarder, I am not a skier. My husband skis, but I like to board. I like to go down the mountain this way. But if you're a skier, think about getting off the balls of the feet. Hop, 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 and relax. Okay, curtsy lunges last. Let's go side to side, down and back. Boom. Using those hips, using those legs. If you wanna add that jump, you can add that. So I might be going a little faster than you if you're walking, but that's okay. Keep your chest high, keep your hips low. Good. Back and forth. Ooh, it's the grand finale. You're doing good. You got this. If
Definitely
you're
a bit
sucking
of a
wind,
challenge.
I know it. It's like, okay, if you're not breathing heavy, you didn't put everything into it, right? 3, 2, 1, and relax. Ladies! All right, we've got a little bit of a stretch. They're not off the hook just yet. Moms, daughters, teams, everyone, make sure you give yourself this time to cool out, okay? So first thing that we're gonna do, wide stance, okay? Not going super low. What I want you to do is reach up over the head, take a deep breath in and out. So notice your heart rate's gonna be really high. So you're gonna take more than a couple breaths, right? That's okay. In through the nose, out through the mouth at your own pace. Whatever you need to do, and switch. So right here, we're just upright. We're letting the heart rate come down. We're stretching out the sides because we don't do this enough, right? And lateral movements are so important for the body. Breathing. Beautiful. Now what we're gonna do is for our calves and hamstrings, you got one foot forward, toe up towards the sky. You're gonna bend from the waist and reach. Whoa, without falling over. Good, so you want a nice flat back here so that you feel it through the back of your hamstring and your calf, and you can get a nice extension through the back of the leg. Keep your chest up high. How are you ladies feeling?
Great. Great.
You get a good
After
cardio?
this curtsies, it feels good to stretch it out.
Yeah. Go ahead and switch. So you could use this workout, you know, maybe before a strength training workout, or if you only got 15 minutes, you want to just get a good heart rate, you know, like a good burn.
Exactly. Great for vacation times too, because it's quick and you're not missing all your vacation fun.
Exactly. Oh, I love that she said that. Because you know, you want to give up on the workouts when you go on vacation. But if you're like, okay, just quick 15 minutes, we'll be down at the pool in 15. Then you can get it in quickly. And this one you could probably do in your hotel.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think you could probably get it in there. If the shuffles weren't super wide, that's okay. Just pretend, just stay low. Go ahead and switch, other side. So now, you really just want to open up those hip flexors and hip flexors and quadriceps, because those got some work on those good little lunges. And I know, and this takes balance. So if you got a chair or you know, a wall or a couch, or your mama, hold on to her. Good, and relax, nice. Last one I wanna do is for the hips, right? So come down to your mat, we're gonna finish like this. You're gonna come into modified pigeon. So start on all fours, okay? You're gonna take one knee back and angle it down. You're gonna sit all the way back, trying to keep your hips and your body square, yep. Awesome. You wanna feel it through that hip. You guys feel that?
Yes.
Yeah, feel free to sink over to the side. Yeah. Oh, good. Beth has good flexibility in those hips. And this is a modified pigeon because I know a lot of us don't have the flexibility to get our leg at parallel. So this still gets into that hip. Go ahead and come on up and get a good angle here. Remember, you're going at an angle so that you are getting that glute, but you're keeping your shoulders square to the front so that you don't let your whole body rotate. Awesome, nice job, Kate. That looks good. And do you guys get everyone in your family to exercise?
We're trying to get our dads.
Oh yeah, dad's
every
next.
once in a while.
Dad's next. Everybody knows they gotta get dad involved next. So that is awesome. Keep motivating him. Keep everybody healthy. Stress-free too. You know dad works hard.
Yeah.
He needs it just as much as you.
Yeah.
Good, coming on up. Awesome job. Way to go, you guys. Ladies, give me a high five. Give each other love.
Great.
Awesome job, you guys, with that cardio workout. We'll see you for the next Get Strong with Mom workout. See you soon.